Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of traditional fashion with the one and only Samantha. Let's get started. Samantha's love for traditional wear is undeniable. We've seen her grace numerous occasions in timeless and elegant silk lehengas. The richness of colors and intricate embroidery showcase her impeccable taste. From vibrant reds to royal blues, the actress effortlessly carries these traditional ensembles with grace and poise. She's known for her experimental and fusion styles. Picture her in a contemporary lehenga paired with a trendy blouse, the perfect blend of tradition and modernity. The fusion of fabrics, unique cuts, and bold color combinations make her stand out in the crowd. She proves this with her minimalistic lehenga choices. Subtle pastels, clean lines, and delicate embellishments, she embraces simplicity with sophistication. These minimalistic lehengas make a strong statement, proving that elegance lies in the details. As the seasons change, so does Samantha's lehenga wardrobe. Whether it's a light and breezy lehenga for summer festivities or a luxurious velvet piece for winter weddings, she effortlessly adapts to the seasonal vibes. Her fashion choices resonate with the essence of each celebration. Let's talk about her destination lehenga looks. Whether she's attending a beachside wedding or a picturesque hill station celebration, the actress knows how to steal the spotlight. Her choice of lightweight fabrics, flowy silhouettes, and vibrant prints make her the epitome of destination glam. It's all about capturing the essence of the location while staying true to her unique style. Samantha is not afraid to explore her roots, and her lehenga choices reflect a deep connection to her heritage. We've seen her donning lehengas inspired by regional artistry and craftsmanship. Intricate handwork, traditional motifs, and a touch of nostalgia, these lehengas tell a story of cultural richness and pride. Beyond being a fashion icon, she has collaborated with renowned designers, bringing forth exclusive collections. From Sabyasachi to Manish Malhotra, her collaborations showcase a blend of their signature styles with her personal touch. Each lehenga becomes a piece of wearable art, embodying the creativity of these fashion powerhouses. Samantha is not just a fashion follower, she's also a trendsetter. We've seen her take matters into her own hands, customizing and DIYing her lehengas. From adding personal embroideries to experimenting with unique drapes, she adds a touch of her personality to every outfit, proving that fashion is an art of self-expression. Her lehenga choices extend beyond the ordinary, especially when it comes to seasonal couture. During festive seasons, she opts for lehengas that showcase the latest trends in couture craftsmanship. Intricate beadwork, sequins, and unconventional fabric combinations elevate her festive looks to sheer perfection, making her a trendsetter during celebratory moments. Amidst the ever-changing trends, the actress consistently embraces timeless classics. She often chooses lehengas that have a timeless appeal, ensuring they remain relevant for years to come. From traditional Banarasi weaves to vintage-inspired silhouettes, her wardrobe reflects a keen appreciation for enduring elegance. Samantha has been spotted in the chicest pant-style lehengas. These contemporary ensembles feature wide-leg pants paired with a lehenga-style dupatta, creating a powerful yet feminine look. Samantha effortlessly brings modernity to traditional wear, proving that fashion has no boundaries. Her red carpet appearances are nothing short of spectacular. Her lehenga choices for these glamorous events are a perfect blend of sophistication and allure. From high-slit skirts to intricate trail details, she commands attention and steals the show with her impeccable style, making a statement that transcends beyond traditional occasions. Her everyday wardrobe embraces comfort without compromising style. Whether she's running errands or attending casual events, her choice of simple yet stylish kurtas is a testament to her effortless approach. Comfortable fabrics, subtle prints, and easy-breezy silhouettes define her daytime looks. Bohemian chic is another facet of Samantha's kurta fashion. We've seen her donning kurtas with intricate embroidery, tassels, and mirror work, radiating free-spirited vibes. Paired with wide-leg pants or flowy skirts, Samantha effortlessly captures the essence of boho fashion with her eclectic choices. The actress redefines power dressing with her kurta pantsuits. Breaking away from traditional norms, she steps into bold territory with tailored kurtas paired with matching pants. This contemporary twist adds a touch of sophistication to her style, making a strong statement in the fashion world. When it comes to traditional events, her kurta choices are nothing short of an ethnic extravaganza. She gravitates towards ornate kurtas adorned with intricate embroidery, sequins, and rich fabrics. These regal ensembles showcase her appreciation for heritage craftsmanship, making her a vision at cultural celebrations. Fusion fashion is a playground for her creativity. She seamlessly blends cultural elements with modern aesthetics in her kurta choices. From pairing kurtas with palazzo pants to experimenting with asymmetrical hemlines, her fusion frenzy reflects her daring approach to fashion. Samantha's red carpet appearances in kurta ensembles are a sight to behold. She transforms the traditional kurta into a glamorous statement piece, featuring bold cuts, luxurious fabrics, and intricate detailing. The actress proves that kurtas can be red carpet worthy, redefining evening wear with her sartorial choices. Samantha effortlessly plays with monochromatic hues, showcasing the versatility of kurtas in a single color palette. Whether it's an all-white ensemble for a serene look or a bold monochrome choice for a high-impact statement, her kurta fashion in monochrome is a lesson in simplicity and sophistication. One signature element of Samantha's kurta fashion is her love for statement sleeves and necklines. She adds drama to her outfits with bell sleeves, balloon sleeves, and intricate neck designs. These details transform ordinary kurtas into standout pieces, adding a touch of drama to her overall look. The actress champions sustainable fashion with her eco-friendly kurta choices. From handwoven fabrics to outfits made from recycled materials, she showcases a commitment to environmentally conscious style. Samantha proves that fashion can be both glamorous and responsible, setting an example for sustainable chic. She elevates her kurta looks by incorporating stylish layers, be it a long jacket, cape, or even an embroidered shrug. This layered elegance not only adds visual interest but also allows her to adapt her style to various occasions seamlessly. The actress channels retro vibes with her kurta choices, reviving classic styles from different eras. Whether it's a 70s-inspired tunic or a kurta with vintage embroidery reminiscent of a bygone era, she effortlessly brings retro aesthetics into the contemporary fashion scene. Samantha isn't afraid to experiment and DIY her kurtas. Personalized embroideries, fabric paint, and innovative alterations, she infuses her unique touch, turning ordinary kurtas into personalized works of art. Samantha proves that true style is about embracing individuality. The beauty effortlessly embraces the trend of high-low hemlines in her kurta fashion choices. Whether it's a casual day out or a semi-formal event, the asymmetrical silhouette adds a touch of modern flair to her outfits. It's a stylish play on proportions that Samantha carries with grace and charm. Prints are a playground for her kurta wardrobe. From floral patterns to geometric designs, she navigates the print paradise with ease. Her eclectic choices of prints reflect her playful side, and she often mixes and matches patterns for a fun and vibrant look, making her a true print fashionista. Festivals bring out the vibrant side of her kurta fashion. She embraces festive colors, intricate embroidery, and mirror work to capture the spirit of celebrations. Her festive kurtas are a perfect blend of tradition and joy, making her a style icon during cultural and religious festivities. Even while traveling, Samantha's kurta fashion is on point. She opts for comfortable yet stylish kurtas that allow her to explore with ease. Whether it's pairing kurtas with denim for a casual stroll or opting for breezy fabrics in exotic locations, her travel tales are a testament to her practical yet fashionable choices. Samantha elevates her kurta game with a mix and match extravaganza. She pairs kurtas with different bottoms, experimenting with palazzos, culottes, and even skirts. This mix and match approach adds versatility to her wardrobe, allowing her to create unique and eye-catching ensembles for various occasions. The beauty exudes regality in her choice of velvet kurtas. Whether it's a rich wine-colored kurta or a deep navy blue ensemble, velvet adds a luxurious touch to her wardrobe. Intricate gold or silver embroidery often adorns these kurtas, creating a regal and sophisticated aesthetic fit for special occasions. Samantha incorporates elements of this traditional garment into her kurta fashion. Pallu-style dupattas, draped layers, and sari borders on kurtas create a unique fusion of two iconic Indian styles. It's a testament to Samantha's ability to blend tradition with contemporary fashion. Samantha celebrates artisanal craftsmanship through her kurta choices. Applique work, where fabric pieces are intricately stitched onto kurtas, adds a touch of handmade artistry. These kurtas showcase her appreciation for the skilled hands of artisans, creating pieces that are not just garments but wearable art. The actress embraces gender-fluid styling with her kurta choices. Oversized kurtas paired with tailored trousers or androgynous cuts challenge conventional perceptions of women's fashion. Her gender-fluid kurta fashion is a celebration of individuality and inclusivity in style. Samantha masters the art of monotone elegance in her kurta wardrobe. Whether it's an all-black ensemble for a sleek look or an all-pastel palette for a soft vibe, monotone kurtas showcase her understanding of color and simplicity. This minimalist approach allows her natural beauty to take center stage. Florals bloom in her kurta fashion, adapting to the seasons. Whether it's vibrant blooms for spring or muted floral patterns for winter, her seasonal floral kurtas bring a touch of nature to her wardrobe. It's a celebration of the changing seasons through fashion. To complement her traditional attire, Samantha adorns herself with exquisite temple jewelry. Intricately carved gold pieces inspired by temple architecture, she effortlessly merges tradition with elegance. From statement necklaces to jhumkas and waist belts, her temple jewelry choices add a touch of timeless allure to her traditional looks. Samantha's anarkali ensembles are a celebration of feminine grace. Flowing silhouettes, intricate embroidery, and vibrant color palettes define her anarkali collection. These timeless outfits pay homage to the Mughal era, combining regality with modern aesthetics in a perfect fusion of traditional and contemporary. Stepping into the regal realm, the actress embraces the grandeur of traditional lehenga cholis. Rich fabrics, elaborate embroidery, and royal color combinations characterize her lehenga choices. Whether it's for weddings or cultural events, her lehenga cholis are a visual feast, showcasing the opulence of Indian craftsmanship. Samantha's traditional wardrobe is adorned with the vibrant hues of Bandhani saris. Hailing from the culturally rich region of Rajasthan, Bandhani saris are known for their tie and dye technique. Her selection of these saris brings forth a burst of colors and intricate patterns, showcasing her admiration for regional craftsmanship. The actress incorporates fulkari embroidery into her traditional fashion repertoire. The vibrant threadwork on dupattas and suits adds a playful yet sophisticated touch to her outfits. Her fulkari choices are a homage to the artistry and culture of North India. Samantha's reverence for tradition extends to saris with intricate temple borders. These saris often feature detailed motifs inspired by temple architecture. The elaborate borders add a touch of sacred elegance to her look, emphasizing the spiritual and cultural significance embedded in traditional Indian attire. Her choices for traditional events often include the timeless bandhgala suits. These well-tailored ensembles, characterized by a high-collared jacket, showcase her appreciation for classic Indian menswear. Her bandhgala choices exude sophistication and regal charm. Samantha's traditional fashion embraces the intricate beauty of Ajrak prints. Hailing from the region of Kutch in Gujarat, Ajrak textiles are known for their natural dyeing techniques and geometric patterns. Her Ajrak ensembles showcase her affinity for sustainable and culturally rich fashion choices. Adding a touch of Lucknow's elegance to her traditional wardrobe, Samantha dons chikankari ensembles with grace. The delicate and intricate hand embroidery of chikankari imparts a timeless charm to her outfits. As we conclude our exploration of Samantha's traditional fashion choices, it's evident that her wardrobe is a tapestry woven with threads of cultural heritage and personal style. Which segment resonated the most with your traditional fashion preferences? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.